This is my collection of airplanes. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 airplane models. So first we have a Philippine Airlines, which is broken. Next we have a Korean Air A380. It's one of my newest planes ever. And here's another Philippine Airlines, which is clearly new, one of my newest airlines yet. Singapore Airlines A380, one of my other newest airplanes yet. AirAsia, Airbus A320. No labels, they faded away. This happens too. Okay, and we have a Cebu Pacific. Wing also falls down a little bit. Wait, guys. Okay, with faded labels. Okay, here we have an Airbus A350. The wing falls out a little bit. And the last one, my Cathay Pacific Boeing 747. We need to fix this. Just never mind that. So this is my airport, Clark International Airport. Bye. Make sure to subscribe to Airplane Fun. My hands are tired.